To solve this question, let's start by changing this into an improper fraction. 3 times 6 will give us 18, plus 1 will give us 19. So this is equal to 19 over 3 times 3 over 8 minus 5 over 6. Following PEMDAS, our order of operations, we should do this multiplication first. Multiplying straight across in our numerators, 19 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So we'll have 57 over 3 times 8 will give us 24. And now we need to find common denominators to do this subtraction, but it's not often that we're dealing with numbers this big to find common denominators for. So let's recognize that 24 and 16 are both multiples of 8, and think about all of our multiples of 8 to see if we can find something that 24 and 16 have in common. We have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48, 56, 64, and we'll stop there. I know 24 can go into 48 2 times, and I know 16 can go into 32 2 times, so let's see if maybe 16 could go into 48. Let's try 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Yes, so 48 is going to be our common denominator here. We'll multiply this fraction by 2 on the top and bottom, and we'll multiply this fraction by 3 on the top and bottom. So in our second fraction, we'll have 15 over 48. And in our first fraction, 57 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 114 over 48. Then we'll need to do 114 minus 15. 114 minus 15. We would borrow 14. And we would need to borrow again, so let's actually start there in our double borrowing. 0, 11, 10, and then 3. 14. 14 minus 5 would give us 9. 10 minus 1 would give us 9. So we would be left with 99 over 48, and now we must find a way to simplify this fraction down to its simplest form. If I look at my answer choices, it definitely can't be A, because this says 14 over 48, not 99 over 48. And my other options either reduce it all the way down to 4 or reduce it down to 16 in our denominator. So let's try dividing the top and bottom by 3 to start. If that's not enough, then D is likely our correct answer. 48 divided by 3 is 16. 99 divided by 3 is 33. 33 does not have many factors, so this is as simple as this fraction can get, making B our correct answer.